You know how normal merges only match exact values? Well, what if you want to merge based on a condition, like a date range or a threshold? That's what we are doing today, matching orders with promotions only if the order date falls within the promotion period. Let's see how. First, load both tables into Power Query. Normal merges in Power Query only do exact matches, so if you tried to merge orders and promotions on order date equals start date, most of the orders would get missed. Instead, we need a conditional merge, checking for something like order date is between start date and end date. Power Query doesn't have a one-click button for this, but you can use a custom column with Table.SelectRows function to do it. I will call this column discount and type the name of our promotions table. As you see, now for each row we have a nested table which contains all the promotions. So basically we need to scan every row in promotions for our condition. Now let's use Table.SelectRows function. Think of it as give me only the rows I care about. The first argument is the lookup table, our promotions. This is where the things get a little bit tricky. Open the parentheses and type P for promotion. You can name it however you like. Then type equal sign and greater than sign. This is an anonymous function. It defines what to do for each row of the table. The first part of our condition is order date is greater than or equals start date. Pay attention, we will use P letter before start date because we need to refer to the promotions table. P is a placeholder representing one row at a time from our promotions table. When you are ready, type the second condition. Order date is lesser than or equals end date. Don't forget about P before end date. Order date in both cases refers to the column from the main table, the table you are adding a column to. And these two conditions check if the order falls within the promotion period. As you can see, the nested tables are now filtered. If you only need the discount value, just type discount in square brackets and 0 in curly brackets. This way you will get the first matching value. You might also want to know which promotion applied, not just the discount. Just use 0 in curly braces to get the whole row and expand the columns you need. If there are no matching values, you can get an error. To prevent this from happening, just use try otherwise statement. If there are no matching values, type null. Multiple matches. If more than one promotion overlaps, 0 in curly braces just pick the first. You could also return all matches as a nested table. Conditional lookups scan the second table for each row. With thousands of rows, this can be slow. So set the rules, find the match and grab the value. Done. Conditional lookups make your data work for you, not the other way around. One step, total control. See you next time.